So it is fall now, and it's my favorite time of the year. So I wanted to go ahead and do a fall haul, just some random stuff that I got at the store just to decorate the house with. I'm gonna do, take y'all around and show you where I'm putting everything. And then also I am going to be making a fall wreath to put on the front door. So wish me luck on that. So the first thing I got at Home Depot, and it is sort of like a long style wreath. It's just meant to hang on the wall, and it's got cute little hanger and some pumpkins, different leaves, some berries mixed in there, and the backing is kind of like a straw, almost like you know those cinnamon scented little broomsticks? It kind of reminds me of that, but I mean obviously you don't see it whenever it's hanging. But I figure, you know, you could get those either cinnamon oil and drop some, so that way when you hang it, as you walk by you can smell the cinnamon, or even like a cinnamon room spray, you could spray it, you know, on it, so I don't know, it's like holding the scent. Yeah, I don't know, just some ideas. But I actually have one of these that is a long hanging like style display that is actually still up on the wall from last Christmas, because it's like a winter scene and you'll see it. But yeah, I still have that up, so I definitely needed to replace it before now. But so I just thought that was really cute. The Dollar General, I got this candle. So it was $5, Holiday Espresso. It's super cute. Smells really good. It kind of smells like a cappuccino. Like, it smells really sweet, but also like coffee too. So I got that. And then, oh, I'm sorry, this is from Walmart. I guess that was all I got at the Dollar General, was just a candle. So this is from Walmart. It just says blessings. It's really cute. It was $5.98, and I have another blessings sign that's up in my hallway, and it's, I believe I got it around Easter time, so it's more like spring. So I just thought this would be really cute to interchange it with, since it's got more of like the fall colors. And even though it's really similar, I thought it was cute. Oh, I'm sorry, I did get something else from Dollar General. I got a outdoor mat. So it just says welcome. This was $8. It's just really cute. I really needed a new outdoor mat anyways, because it's really, really faded, and it's not just from people walking in and out on it. I think it's the sun. I probably bought too much stuff at Hobby Lobby. Not gonna lie. That store, Hobby Lobby and Target, those are like my stores. So I got this little assorted pack. It's got little pumpkins, some like little berries, some different leaves, pine cones. I don't know, I just thought it was cute. And I was looking for pumpkins, and they have so many pumpkins there, but I mean a lot of them were kind of big, and I just wanted like a little few ones to sit around on different tables, so I just found this like little assorted pack, and I thought, yeah. So this was $12.99. So I was deciding to make my wreath this year. I mean, I get in these like arts and crafts moods, and then I'm scared that it's not going to turn out good, so I put it off and procrastinate to the point where I just don't do it. So I really need to make myself do it. I think it'd be fun, you know, to have like, like, you know, when you were in school and you had arts and crafts. I know it's like elementary school, but it just allows you to be creative, and as kids, you know, they need that too. So I just think it would be really cute if, you know, you had children, they could make their own wreaths to put in on their bedroom door, and you know, I just think it'd be really cute and it'd be fun to do as a family. So I got these, this was $4.99, and it's got different leaves, but it's also got, I don't know if you can see, like little pine cones, like a little acorn hiding in there, little acorn. So I just thought these were cute, put throughout the wreath, and I also got some of these pretty leaves. I had a bunch of random things that were kind of fall inspired, you know, just some like little cattail things, some flowers, just like some little sprigs, you know. I already had all of this in another arrangement that I wasn't doing anything with, so I just decided to like pull out all my stuff that I had that was similar colors and in the fall sense, and then I'll just see what I can use and just put whatever back in storage that I don't. So the wreath that I got, it's like hooked to the back. So it is just this natural vine, and it's real. I mean, I have these little leaf crumbs because there's leaves like stuck all through it. I have leaf crumbs everywhere in the house now. I have to go vacuum. So I really liked the rustic look of it. I like that it's not even and it's not completely circular. And I'm kind of thinking that I only want to decorate like a portion of it. I'm not sure. I mean, I think as I start working on it, I will get a better sense of, you know, what I want to do as I just start placing things and laying things around. And this one is my favorite fall candle. It is called Harvest Evening, and it's got like a sunflower field in the background, and it's from Walmart. This smells really good, like candy corn and sunshine. It smells good. Do you hear my dog? He's barking at something. So also at Hobby Lobby, I got this cute little pumpkin, and then this cute little guy. I love the different colored pumpkins, like not just traditional orange pumpkins, but I love the different ones. This I've had for a long time, several years, so I'm not really sure where I got it from. So what I'm gonna do is put some of the fireballs in there, and I've got some of the soft stripes, I think is what they're called, the like melt in your mouth peppermints. So I usually mix those and put those in there. So I forgot to tell y'all, but the picture that is showing at the very beginning of the video, it says happy fall y'all, and I got that at Hobby Lobby. So now I'm just going ahead and starting on my wreath, and I'm just basically cutting different pieces and placing them to get the shape that I want. I've decided to only do a small portion of the wreath to just keep it as rustic as I can. Here I'm just using a piece of old sweater material and I'm just pinning this around my plant because it had a rose gold bottom to it, and I just thought it would look a lot better with the rest of the decorations if I just darkened it up and made it more like fall inspired. So I put a little sweater on him. So thank y'all guys for watching how I decorated my house for fall this year. And I'm gonna go vacuum because I have leaf crumbs everywhere. So like, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all next time.